Kia Soul changing a tire with TPMS. If you experience a flat tire, the low tire pressure warning light will activate. Avoid using puncture sealants or repair agents to inflate or fix a low-pressure tire, as these can damage the tire pressure sensor. If used, the sensor will need to be replaced. Each wheel has a tire pressure sensor located inside the tire behind the valve stem. It is essential to use wheels specifically compatible with the TPMS system. Even if you replace the flat tire with the spare, the low tire pressure light will stay on until the original tire is repaired and reinstalled. When you install the spare, the TPMS malfunction light may also illuminate after a short time. This occurs because the spare wheel's sensor has not been activated. Once the flat tire is reinflated to the recommended pressure and reinstalled, or if the TPMS sensor on the spare is activated by an authorized Kia dealer, the warning lights will turn off after a few minutes of driving. If the lights remain on after these steps, have the system checked by an authorized Kia dealer to ensure proper functionality. Caution: when replacing an original tire with a spare, the TPMS sensor on the spare wheel must be activated, and the sensor on the original tire must be deactivated. If the sensor on the original wheel remains active while stored in the spare tire carrier, the TPMS may malfunction. Ensure proper service or replacement of tires with TPMS by an authorized Kia dealer to maintain system functionality. Visual inspection alone may not detect a low tire. Always use a reliable tire pressure gauge to check inflation. Remember, a hot tire, from recent driving, will show a higher pressure reading compared to a cold tire, stationary for at least 3 hours or driven less than 1 mile during that time. Allow tires to cool before checking or adjusting to the recommended pressure. Avoid using liquid tire sealants on vehicles equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system. These sealants can damage the TPMS sensors, potentially requiring costly replacements. Always follow manufacturer recommendations to ensure safe and proper maintenance. Kia Soul TPMS warning. The TPMS is not designed to detect sudden and severe tire damage caused by external factors like nails, sharp objects, or road debris. If you experience any signs of vehicle instability, such as vibrations or loss of control, immediately ease off the accelerator, gently apply the brakes, and steer carefully to a safe location off the road. Always monitor tire conditions and respond promptly to any unusual behavior to ensure safety. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.